means we're sewing. This is part 4. I think this is part 4 of the prom dress. If it's not, oh well. But today my plan is I at least want to get the beads off the fabric. That's a whole thing. I gotta use a hammer to take the beads off the seam part of the fabric. Get the bead off the fabric, and I could possibly put the whole thing together tonight. We shall see. I definitely want to do the gathering on the front though, so I want to get that part done, and then put it all together, of course. I don't think I'm going to put it together with the corset just yet, because I actually need my cousin to send me some measurements that I didn't get before I put everything together. So I am going to just put the pieces, like put the beaded with the lining today, put the skirt together, or I might need to wait for the measurements for that too. We'll see. But right now we're about to look at the pieces we cut out in the last video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and watch it. Okay, go back and watch it, catch up to part whatever this is. All right. But yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. Okay, I hate how y'all can't really see the color, but it's gold. These are pieces for the skirt. This is the front, 2 back pieces, and the front will be connected to the back, of course. This is the ruching part you saw in the video before the last. That's the ruching part. So what I'm gonna do now is pin the sides together, and we're gonna start beating off the beads around the parts where I need to sew, and then we'll see where we're gonna go from there. So let's get to pinning. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So it's a new day, but we're just gonna act like nothing happened, okay? I'm just gonna pick up where I left off. Okay? Why does my butt look lopsided? I can't even worry about that right now. Anyway, we're gonna get back to hammering this dress, okay? I got the pieces pinned. I just need to put the tape on the seams and then hammer them. The tape is helping to keep the beads from flying everywhere. I tried it without the tape, absolutely not. So we're gonna use the tape. Without the tape, them beads literally were flying everywhere. So I'm gonna set y'all up over here. Give you a good view. And the only reason I'm doing it on this part of the floor is because this is the only like concrete in the house. I can't do it on the wood. And we plan on doing some of this anyway, so it's okay if I ruin it. No big deal. Even though I'm still gonna try my best not to ruin it, because we ain't doing no with it right now. Let's do this. Let's hammer these beads off. Blessed with another chance.
inside.
So now that I've hammered that off, makes it easier to just pull up the tape, and it takes off all of the bead trash, little bead pieces, instead of them being all over the place. They're still over the place a little, but it's not as bad. Comes off just like this. All those little bead pieces. It's definitely some extra work, but it's gonna be worth it when it comes to sewing. I don't have to sew over the beads.
And I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. Find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost. Find hope, find strength, find freedom. I pray, yeah. This can't be my forever. This can't be, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No.
Good morning, beautiful people. This is the same video, but it's a new day. We have a new goal for the day with the dress. I hammered all the beads off I needed to, and now it's time to sew this thing together. Okay, so that's what my goal is today. Y'all, it's so crazy. So last Friday, I was supposed to be done with this, but I went to the gym first and did all that stuff outside the house first and came home and I went to sleep. Like, I was pooped after that workout. So today I told myself, no, we're gonna get up, we're gonna do the dress first, and once I'm done with that, I can go to the gym. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I actually got my gym clothes on, so I reduced that friction. So when we're done here, I don't have to think about, oh, what I'm putting on, I'm just gonna go. Okay, so yeah, we're about to get started. Thank y'all so much for following along with this journey of making this prom dress. This is pretty fun. I love sewing, so whatever. And it causes you to think. Gotta use some critical thinking skills, some math, and some faith, honey, because we gotta send this all the way to Florida and pray for the best, okay? But I do have faith that it's all gonna work out. And I'm about to set y'all up while I sew. That's pretty much it. When I got something substantial to say, I'll pick this camera back up. But right now, let's just get to sewing. Happening.
So we gotta differentiate between the conscious and the spirit, because they're not the same thing. Because you can feel okay about something that's wrong if your conscious isn't under the influence of the spirit. You are, I see you shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You and your whip got your own car. Look at God, oh, he done brought you far.
You so amazing, no, don't get me started. Don't get me started. If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown. And I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm. Seen a lot of love, I've seen a lot of war. Took a lot of losses, then I took some more. Even through it all, I know you fighting for me. Through all my lowest days, when I was losing faith, through all the tears and pain, still though I wouldn't trade. None of it wasn't it all, making me something better than what I've been. And I want it, I'm loving it, let's run it, I'm saying. When I'm low, still I know that I'm not alone. I lean on you and I know you'll keep me strong. Rose up, tryna rise up, had to dead him. Every day I wake up, I'm resurrecting. If you take me, I'll go.
I'm actually doing great on time. Well, I did great on time because now I'm done for the day. We got the skirt completely put together except for the zipper. I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm off again tomorrow. It's going to be raining all day. I'm about to go to the gym, go grocery shopping. So tomorrow, I'm going to be purposely and forcefully, because of the rain, stuck in the house working on the dress, okay? So let me show y'all what it looks like in the front. The back, of course, is not put together because I have to put the zipper in. So this is kind of what we're looking like. She's not spread out the best right now, but we get the picture. We get the picture, right? Cool. If you don't, sorry. Anyway, now it's time for me to go to the gym. I need to make me some oxy shred. I need to, y'all, the studio is a mess. Like, I can't wait to be done so I can clean up. But it's beads, it's sequins everywhere, thread everywhere. So yeah, I cannot wait to clean this room. But let me stop talking so I can go do what I gotta do.
Mind on the loose, running freely. Though I could choose, it's not that easy.
So the skirt is finished. The bottom is done. This is about to be my first look at it. It looks really good. Looks really good. I'm just like praying that everything fits her well. I think it will. I think it will. I think everything's gonna go great. So excited. So excited. I haven't shown her anything with the dress at all. I'll show them when it's done. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. That's gonna be cute. The back's gonna have like a little slight drag. It's gonna be cute. So all I have to do now is the corset, and then we're gonna connect the two, and we're done. We're done after that. I'm gonna hang y'all. I'm not sure if I've shown this to y'all in one of the past videos or not, but here it is. This is the front. Honestly, I might end up cutting this off, so this little point won't be right here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just like chop it a little. Chop that a little. This is the back. It is a lace back corset. So yeah, that's what I'm about to get started on now. Should I start another video? I think I should start another video. And that's gonna be the last one. I don't even know what part we're on, but the corset's gonna be the last part. And then we're gonna connect them and that's it. I know I said I was gonna put it in here, but this has already been going on a little too long. We must. So thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tune into the next video to see how this dress turns out. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.